Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to practice the story The Little Ant and the Mountain of Grain, a story of consistency. So you're going to practice along with me, read the story along with me, and we are also going to learn the use of prepositions along with the story and improve our English. Deep within a green forest lived a tiny ant named Annie. Her home was hidden beneath a large rock beside a flowing stream. One morning, Annie discovered a huge pile of grain beyond the meadow. The pile was far from her nest and high above the ground. Many animals laughed at her. "You are too small to carry all that grain," shouted a squirrel from across the stream. But Annie was determined. Day after day, she walked through the grass, climbed over small stones, crawled under fallen branches, and moved along narrow paths. Sometimes she carried a grain upon her back. At other times, she balanced it between her shoulders. She traveled toward her nest without complaining. During a storm, water rushed around her. A strong wind blew against her, yet she continued her journey. She never turned away from her goal. Many insects gathered around the rock and watched her. Some stood among the flowers, while others rested near the stream. Weeks passed. Little by little, the pile became smaller. Finally, Annie carried the last grain into her nest. The squirrel, who once laughed at her, came to congratulate her. "How did you move such a huge pile?" Annie smiled and replied, "I did not move it all at once. I moved it one grain at a time. Success comes through consistent effort." Moral of the story: consistency beats talent when talent doesn't work consistently. Small steps taken every day lead to great success. So, I would like to tell you people to improve your English communication skills, take the small step every day to reach the greater heights, to reach your English fluency. Because you have talents, but talents will not work if you do not act consistently. Thank you everyone. Let's meet in the next video with a new story.